Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcoming you back to Charms Lifestyle channel, guys. Today I am in my kitchen again. I am cooking my dinner, so I think I want to share this with you. So here I am sharing my cooking with you and what I will be cooking today. Something simple, something very simple. I'm gonna cook green banana, sweet potato, plantain, and dumpling with a tin of mackerel. That is what I will be cooking today, guys. I have already peeled my food off camera, so I'm gonna be adding my food to the pot. I already need my flour. So what I'm gonna do before start putting my food in the pot, I will be adding a little salt to my pot. I will be adding just this amount of salt to my pot, and I will add also some vinegar to my pot. And the reason why I will be adding vinegar to my pot, we all know that green banana is very stony, and it will make the other food in the pot become black. So you add a little vinegar to cut away the stain from the banana, so the banana will remain in the pot very white and pretty, and the other food items will also keep their color and not becoming black. So I'm gonna be adding, the first thing I will be adding to my pot, I have a sweet potato, but I will only use half. I only use half. So I will be adding my food to my pot. The first thing I will add to my pot is the sweet potato, and leave it, let it cook for a while before adding other stuff. Okay, guys, we are doing it my way. This is how I cook. So this is the hardest thing to cook, the sweet potato. So I put this first. I will cover my pot, and guys, you can't cover the pot like this. You have to make it ajar, and the reason for that is because the vinegar is in the water, it will foam and boil over. Okay, so if you don't know about this and you try this, make sure you do not cover the pot firm like this. Always make it ajar like that so it won't foam and come over. Okay, guys. So yes, guys, I'm back with you. I'm back with you. So now I'm going to be adding my dumplings. My flour is here, so I will be adding these. And I don't like big dumplings, guys. I don't like them big. And yes, guys, what I did not remember to tell you, you don't have to only use the vinegar. You can also use the cooking oil. You can use the cooking oil, and you can also use the skin of the banana. So you don't necessarily have to use the vinegar if you don't want to. Okay, my pot is still boiling, means that I can add my banana. And when you add your flour, guys, you stir the pot so that the dumpling does not stick to the bottom of the pot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my bananas. You know that you have to, not everybody knows this, for all the people who don't know this, you have to add the banana to boiling water, or else it will become tough. And we don't want a tough banana, because you see these bananas that I have here, guys, they are already tough. Not because they are looking pretty like this. You have to eat them hot, because once the breeze blows on them after they come out the pot, they become very tough. So I will only cook 3 fingers of banana. So there, I have 3 fingers of banana, guys. That's all I will cook. The most thing in my pot is dumpling, because I love to fry the dumpling in the morning after it cooks. I love that. So I will not put my plantain in the pot yet, because I don't want it to mash. I will cut my plantain in 3 pieces, but I will not yet add it to the pot, guys, because I don't want it to mash. Here it is. You see the color of my food, guys? It's white and pretty. The vinegar do this, yeah, give it this lovely color. Don't mind me using this knife, guys. Everything is cooked. Everything is cooked, so we are gonna go in part 2 now. Okay, this is the pot I will be using to do my mackerel, guys. The pot is hot, so I'll go ahead and add a little oil to the pot. I'm using a bit of olive oil. I don't know how well you can see this, but this is what I'm using. I have already cut my seasoning of camera and my mackerel. This is the mackerel. I have already cut it off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion, garlic, and a bit of pepper. I don't eat pepper, guys. I don't eat pepper, but I will add just a small piece of pepper to my pot. This pot, guys, these pots, they can't take the heat. So if there's any good person out there wanna send me 2 pots, I would be so grateful. 2 good pots that can take the fire heat. Here's my mackerel. I'll now add my mackerel to the pot, guys. Yeah. The only thing I will add to this, guys, is a bit of black pepper. Nothing more. Nothing more. Only black pepper. That's all I want in it. Okay? So I'm gonna leave this. I put a little more heat under the fire. So I'm gonna leave this and let it simmer, and then, guys, I will show you the finished product. okay? I will not cover it, I will just leave it like this. I don't make the heat very high under it because the pot, it's not good for the heat when it's cooking, when it's fried. So there is my pot, guys. There is my pot. Maybe you are wondering why I didn't use tomato. No, I don't use tomato to cook. Only special food I use tomato in. I prefer eating it. So yes guys, this is my finished product. So I'll show you the product finished on the plate, okay? So stay tuned and thank you for being here with me unto this end. Thank you a lot. So guys, here's the meal. My tin mackerel with dumplings, ripe plantain, sweet potato, and banana. This is the meal. So if you like this video guys, go ahead and give me your thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And I hope you do enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video.